Hello Campbell Chapel family, friends, and supporters. I want to welcome you to our July 2026 renovation update. A moment to celebrate how far we've come, and to clearly share the work still ahead. What do you have to share with us today?
The exciting historic chapel restoration project is ongoing. Over the past months, we can see the restoration vision rising from the bricks and beams. Today, we share the July 2026 update, provided by Ronald James, president of CCCDM. The focus is on three key areas of progress. The current plan targets the completion of Phase 3 by year's end 2026. Initially, Phase 3 was scheduled to finish the third quarter of 2026, but was extended to fourth quarter due to additional required work. Phase 3 is divided into three distinct parts. Part 1 required installing a temporary front porch during roof repair. The windows and exterior painting were finished in late April. Part 2 focuses on ensuring proper water, sewer, and storm drainage, exterior carpentry, bell tower work, and roof work on the new addition. Part 3 involves finishing the front porch, adding screening between the piers and completing all doors, carpentry and porch painting.
How did we face a delay?
The delay stems from unexpected requirements imposed by the town of Bluffton. The town requested more detailed plans for structural engineering to verify the new addition could support the required load. Geological testing was necessary to ensure the foundation. Additionally, the town required electrical, plumbing, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning plans, and updated site and architectural plans to confirm proper water drainage systems prior to the start of Phase 3.
You see, we had to pause some of the construction. Where does that leave us?
Specialized contractors were hired to complete each of these requirements, and all documentation submitted to Bluffton for review. Bluffton approved the work planned. All necessary clearances are very close to being obtained. Construction work is to resume by the end of summer. The geological testing was completed for the new addition, and the entire building and the architect plans updated. The geological testing revealed the new addition will require a mat foundation for stabilization. State regulations also required the presence of an architectural archaeologist.
We are hopeful that work can resume by the end of summer. We ask that you keep us in your prayers as we seek to stay in the center of God's will.